Oh, hello there, beautiful. Is this locked? Yep. Oh, much better. I've missed you. Whoo! Let's go for a little bit of drive. See if she'll start. Maybe I should hook up the battery. Maybe. Brand new battery. Let's see how. All right. Okay, Jesus. That was fun. It's always fun to get to drive this bad boy. We got her in this garage right now because I need to do spark plugs. Yay! Yeah, but I started to think it's been about 50,000 miles since I've done spark plugs. So, I need to get that done. And hopefully I have a check engine light right now, and they're both of the post O2 sensors. So hopefully that gets rid of the check engine light, but it might not. I don't know yet. We'll find out. But yeah. Alright guys, I am in here in the garage with the truck right on behind me. And, well, I'm doing spark plugs. I already have one out. That's that one right there. And the spark plug is over here. Now, as you can tell, if it will focus, come on. Okay, well, whatever. We'll try to do it from far. That is not in good shape. Just like, yeah, I have a feeling that I definitely needed some. And it looks like it's burning a little bit lean, which concerns me. But I guess we'll see. So I got to make sure that the gap was preset for my truck. I don't actually know. So, yep. But I'll keep moving and keep you guys updated. Alright, and we have 4 spark plugs out. Those 4 right there. They look horrible, as you can tell. Look at this. Let's take this one. What the hell was that, man? Yep, so 4 spark plugs out, 4 spark plugs in. Done with the passenger side here, got it all plugged back in and ready to go. So now we just have the driver's side to finish. Well, I guess start on and finish. Alright, and we have the other 4 out, and then the other 4 new ones in. And here are all 8 of the spark plugs, and as you can see, they do not look pretty. They were definitely not happy in there. So hopefully now that I've done this, it will run much better, much smoother, and maybe my check engine light will go away. But if it doesn't, then I'm going to have to start looking at back pressure problems before the cats, because at the same time my cats could be clogged, and that's not what you want. So I guess the only thing left to do is start it up and see how it feels, see how it's running, and see if I need to button anything else up. But yeah, I'll jump straight to that. Alright. Well, she's idling pretty good. I don't expect that to turn off right away. We'll probably take a few turn keys, but I'm gonna go for a ride and see if it still has that stutter. I'll probably take you guys along with me on that. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna mash it, see if it... Woo! You know what? Sorry for the wind noise, but that's pretty clean right there. Ooh, I feel like I might have fixed it. So I guess we'll just hope that the engine light turns off and go from there. I'll see you guys back at the house. Alright, well, it's running much cleaner now. I took it out on the highway and, you know, ran a heat cycle through it. So now, I just hope that the engine light turns off. And I made sure I looked up proper torque specs and proper clearance, the spark plug gap, I guess. And yeah, especially with stuff like this that goes straight towards, you know, the combustion chamber of the cylinder, you want to make sure it's torqued down right, because if it's not, then you'll get blow by, and that is not good at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna check some of my fluids and wrap it up in here. Switch the Camaro that's in that garage back into this garage where the truck is, and yeah. And I really need new headlights. I'm fogging over, and the lower ones are taking up moisture when it rains. But yeah, checking fluids, swapping cars around, and then we'll be good. So yeah, that will pretty much do it for this video. If you guys liked, you know, like, favorite, you know, subscribe if you want to see more like this, or, well, actually it's getting cold enough now that I probably won't be doing much driving the Camaro, but probably I'll be doing more maintenance type stuff just to get it running correctly 24/7. So if you want to see more stuff like that, then be sure to subscribe and, you know, post notifications, all of that good stuff. As for now, have a good day, guys. Alright guys, so I was just doing a MPI, or multi-point inspection, on my truck, because yes, I am that fancy. I call it an MPI. And well, these bad boys right here are my plate bulbs, and they are both burnt out. So hi Daisy, what's up, dog? How you doing? How you doing, pup? Good? Good. Yeah, so I need to get 2 new plate lights so I don't get pulled over at night because my plate lights are out. So I haven't even gone on like advanced or anything to find the bulb number, because, well, these are so old that I can't even see the bulb number on them. But yeah, I'm going to do that now and show you guys how to put them in there. Pretty fun. Alright guys, got the new lights. So, time to put them in. So, gotta get on under here. And I lift them out because I didn't want to have to turn them back out once I got back. But anyway, just take the bulb once I get it out. There we go. So this is a spade type bulb. Take it, just line it up, push her in, and then do the same on the other side, obviously. So do that real quick. Line it up, push it in, and then once you want to put them back in to their home, you see those two tabs. There's also two tabs on up in there. You see what I'm doing here? And you just line it up. Line it up on like that. Once it sets in, twist it until it clicks, and then it is secured. So dude, on this side, take the bulb, find where it wants to sit, which apparently for this it's nowhere. There we go. Rotate until it clicks. Oh, geez. It would click. There we go. Boom. Alright, let's go test it, see if it's working. Oh. Yeah, I know, the lights are on. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Problem solved.